Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on replacing the original keyboard of your Lenovo Yoga laptop. Today, we will walk you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the information you need to successfully complete this task. ### tools required. Before we start, let's gather the necessary tools. 1. Phillips screwdriver, size 0 or 1, to remove the screws. 2. Plastic spudger, to help pry open the laptop without damaging it. 3. Tweezers, for handling small components. 4. Microfiber cloth, for cleaning the interior of your laptop. 5. Replacement keyboard, make sure it is compatible with your specific Lenovo Yoga model. ### Step 1. Preparing your workspace. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit workspace. Disconnect your laptop from any power source and remove the battery if applicable. ### Step 2. Disassembling the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the bottom panel of your Lenovo Yoga. Keep track of the screws and their locations. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the bottom panel. Be cautious as there are clips that might break if too much force is applied. ### Step 3. Locating the keyboard connection. After removing the bottom panel, locate the keyboard connector on the motherboard. It is usually covered with a piece of tape or a protective cover. Gently lift this cover using your spudger. ### Step 4. Detaching the old keyboard. Now, you will need to disconnect the old keyboard by carefully lifting the connector. If you find it difficult, using tweezers can help. ### Step 5. Cleaning the interior. Before installing the new keyboard, take a moment to clean the interior of your laptop with a microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can accumulate and affect performance. ### Step 6. Installing the new keyboard. Now, take your replacement keyboard and align it with the connector. Press it down gently until it clicks into place. Make sure it's seated properly. ### Step 7. Reassembling the laptop. Carefully replace the bottom panel and reinsert all screws. Make sure each screw is tightened appropriately to avoid any loose parts. ### Step 8. Testing the new keyboard. Reconnect your laptop to power and turn it on. Test the new keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning properly. ### Important note. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this replacement, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home. This means no calls, no travel needed on your part. You can also receive a quote before repair, making the process hassle-free. Conclusion. Replacing your Lenovo Yoga keyboard can be straightforward if you follow these steps carefully. Always remember to handle components gently and keep your workspace organized. If you encounter any issues or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.